Leontine walks down the beach with friends to the other side of the island. Enjoy a live concert in the harbor, and we went for 2 weeks to the Netherlands to see family and friends.
Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
It's a nice walk down the beach in Porto Santo, a 9-kilometer golden sand beach, along with a sea of calm, crystalline waters and pleasant temperatures. In 2022, Porto Santo Beach was elected the best beach in Europe by the European Best Destinations. Also this year, Porto Santo was chosen by World Travel Awards as the #1 European beach destination for 2024.
They cleaned all the sarcasm from the beach, but it's getting back. Right back.
We had a live concert at the harbor wall from our neighbor Harry on My Way and Maria, an island resident. Drinking, singing, dancing, and enjoying life.
It's now or never, my love will wait. You just go out of my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. In the spring, summer, or fall, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there. Yes, I will. You've got a friend. Oh, yes, I'm your friend. You've got a friend. You've got a friend. Love is in the air, in a rising of the sun. You are the sunshine of my life. Yeah. That's why I always be around. Don't worry, be happy. We are in Porto Santo. Don't worry, be happy. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more.
One more time. Lobo Marino is in.
Dominique, the saxophonist, thank you so much.
Game of Thrones is coming along. Game of Thrones is coming along. It's coming over Santone. Saudade, saudade, saudade da minha terra, São Nicolau. Saudade, saudade, saudade da minha terra, São Nicolau. Saudade.
Going to the Netherlands for 2 weeks.
Yeah. We went for 2 weeks to the Netherlands to see family and friends.
That's the smoke alarm.
It's a smoke alarm. Wasn't me.
Leontine and her
But my huggies.
those big killer love muffins.
Dangerous dogs, huh?
Oh, they are licky to death.
Yeah.
We stayed for 3 nights in the Cummings Suite by good friends and old neighbors Nick and Jules from MV Just Row and Amsterdam Marina. We had a nice lunch with fellow YouTubers Rob and Yoka from SY Serious. See the link to their channel in the comments. I feel bad I didn't bring my flip-flops. Do you want some? Oh, yes. I'm not used to wearing shoes. Flip-flops, we go outside, go jogging pants. No. Slept like a baby last night. That bad? Sorry.
Coming sweet. Even zwaaien. Hoi. Tadaa. Tadaa. Easter. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter to you. Look at that. Oh my God. Vile.
Put some bacon on it.
Everything's better with bacon on it.
No calorie.
No calories at all. No calorie, no fat.
No chocolate. The winner. Ja, hartstikke kapot.
Via. You are the champion.
Je maakt mij echt kapot, hoor.
Small piece of Easter pie. Sausage. Ja, pas op. Ik was net te laat.
Eén klap, hè?
Dit is wel... Oh, dat is wel jammer. 2,
1, 2.
tik!
Oh.
Hey! Nog steeds.
Leuk spelletje, hè, Alfons.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Take yes.
Ja, zo teruggepakt. Probeer ik van haar hou, dat ik niet kan wennen aan die andere vrouw. En je vriend van mijn moeder, jong in de hemel is.
What do you got there?
Frikandel.
What's that?
Stuffed meat.
Mystery meat.
Mystery meat.
Mmm.
Yummy. Yummy mystery meat.
Only in Holland.
De Horseshoe Band in de Lut. Luttersand. Luttersand.
Doesn't matter where we go, we always find a beach. Even in the east of the Netherlands.
Where is the beach?
That way.
In the Gloria.
Hippe de piep, hoera!
Hippe de piep.
Hoera!
Hippe de piep.
Hoera!
Blazen.
En dan mag je een wens doen.
Gewoon lekker feest! Ja, maar wat jullie niet weten is dat ik heel goed kan zingen. Goed, wij gaan de eerste regels even samen zingen voor ons lievelingslied. Dus toen je mag even zetten. Even de eerste paar regels. Every time I think of you. Oké, iedereen veel plezier, bravo!
Ja, of course. En waar komt die filmpje op? Ah.
Volgende keer.
Lieve mensen.
Men are cooking. Cooking.
Oké.
Cooking. En Bowie ruikt ook wat. En Pablo.
Square cheesecake. What's that? That's an Amsterdam square cheesecake. De grootste idee aan. Nee, ze hebben dat voor jou gebakken.
Here we go. Bye Schiphol.
maar je ziet eruit genoeg.
We're back! We're back! Everything gonna be alright tonight.
Tomorrow.
And tomorrow too.
Get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Hey, hey, give me the beat for to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat for to free my soul.